Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on settings. Click on settings. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to Google right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on your Google account name. Proceed with Google account. The next thing you want to do is to simply go ahead and click on password manager. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on the Facebook right here. Enter your log pattern. Hit on enter. Then you have access back to your WhatsApp passkey right here. You can either delete the passkey or better still, you can edit your passkey right here from your Google account. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.